Welcome to Best RV channel. Again, this is Niall from Best RV in Turlock, California. We are presenting today the Gemini 24KB. It's a brand new 25, and on the 25 Gemini is sitting on a Ford Transit chassis. That's the one with the best gas mileage, runoff unleaded, by the way. It is a full body paint. It's a full beautiful piece. The Gemini is very well known. They don't have a cap in the front. They don't have the big humongous cap like some other brands. Why? Because they're not worried about the bed sleeping over the driver and passengers. This is beautiful for couples. They like to look like a small. They get it anywhere they want it with no problems, but at the same time easy to drive. They don't have bulky things moving when they're driving like some other of them. So the Gemini, they give them a really nice and beautiful window on the front with a power shade, and we're going to show you inside. They come with the standard generators, and again the generator run off gas because this is unleaded coach. You have outside sprayers. And then we have here's outside propane hookup for grilling if you want to grill. All the storage has lights as you see here. And then there's what I like about is the nice black rim inside. And then we have huge storage in the back. And the storage, you could access it from this side as well that side and then the other side. Now, if you look at the back of Gemini, it's different than any Class C because it has the beautiful cap. So this is aerodynamic cap in the back with a cap on the top. You have a Class 3 hitch with a 7-way plug. And then over here, you have a tankless on-demand hot water heater, endless hot water heater. And then we have outside shower, hot and cold, cable hookup, satellite hookup, city water connection, power hookup. And then another, here's your propane tank where you fill it when you go to gas stations. And then the hookup is right there. Frameless window, as you see, 3D decals on it. And then we have the slide out toppers, beautiful mirrors. Easy to get in, there's no problem. As you see, very easy steps, easy to get in on that chassis. So amazing, it drives like a car. You don't drive like a big humongous Class C motorhome, you know, with a big cap. So you could see it's very aerodynamic and it's an all-wheel drive, so you have no issue, and it's good for gas mileage wise. Let me show you the inside of the Gemini 24 KB inside. So coming in, the beautiful about this one I love personally is the cabinet. The cabinet in this one is Italian doors, so you could see how the nice curve, very with that silver striping on it. So all these cabinet in this 24K Gemini, it's all the Italian look, and it has the European hinges where everything's covered. So you have storage here, and then you have full storage over the kitchen. I love about the LED light, you could see what you're putting in your storage, so there's no issue. And then when it comes to the kitchens, they give you everything from 2-burner range. So this unit has 2-burner range Dometic propane, and then it comes with a bigger oval circle shape sink. Look how deep it is with the high-rise faucet. And then we have 110 plug with USB plug and 110. And then we have extension countertop, as you see right here. It's very extension. Look how it's so roomy. So I have a room for prepping, room for washing, room for cooking. I have convection oven microwave, so I could cook inside here. I have a place for trash can, and come with the trash can, by the way. Self-closing doors for tinsels, as you see. And then I have a big door. These are the curtains for the front window. So you could see the functionality of this Gemini. kitchen. Now, when it's come to the living area, it come with hide-a-bed sofa. This is hide-a-bed sofa. So this is, I want to demonstrate it for you. You give me a second. So jackknife sofa, sleep one kid or grandkids, and then you have a nice sofa here, seating, and it come with a nice cup holder, cell phone charger. These posts come with a table, so you could have set up a table here for dining. Matter of fact, the legs of the table is stored here, as well the table back there. So it's very easy. Nice mirrors, and then we have the fridge, run off 12-volt refrigerator, and the freezer door. Actually, more cabinet. Show them here the table and the legs. The one go in front of the dinette. And then here we have a beautiful 2 single bed, 1 on each side, facing a smart TV. It's 32 inches. So I could lay down here, watch a TV. I could have my cup, my books, whatever I want to do here. Now, if this bed is not enough for you and you need bigger bed than this one, it's very simple. Piece in the middle, I put it between the 2 beds. Now, look how big the bed. It's huge. It's like a big queen, even bigger than a queen, believe me. Then I could sleep here, watching the TV. I could sleep right there. I could have put a big foam here, whatever I want. So you could see what I could do. Now, to put it back, it's very simple. Take that piece. Voila. Then I could put this piece in the middle. Voila. I'm done. It's so simple. All the back, as you see here, is the storage with LED lights. Also, the back here, they give you place for you to put remote controls or phone, 110 plug, USB plug. Again, TV, you have the air conditions, ducted, or you could do straight dump like that, and the cold air comes straight, or you could close these two, and then the cold air go through the ducting vents, as you see here. There's a storage here, this side. There's also, they give you all the storage outside, so it's very roomy. Now, closets, you know, for socks, underwears, and so on. And nice, and again, this unit come with a nice bathroom. So if you come over here, if I could make this one, turn this door open that side, and voila. So I have like my master bathroom where I could wash my hand, shave, medicine cabinet, and then I could stand up here, come with curtains, come with it, and I could take a shower here, no issue for height. And then I could go sit here on the toilet, do my business. I could dress up, and when I'm done, very simple and easy. I close those 2 doors, I'm done. Let me show you. I close this door. I go outside, and I'm done. Now, once come here's about the Gemini. I love that beautiful window, nice view. And then if you decide to extend it, you push a switch, voila, you drop it down, and now you have full privacy. Nobody could see, voila. And then I could put on things here. So if I decide to open it, then I open it. Now, I like the handle, easy to get in. You have the one-piece control, the PM Pro system, where I could control everything by touch screen. I could turn my generators, I could turn my lights, check my levelings, turn my AC, my heaters, all of that. I have a nice smart TV, actually two TVs, one in the living room and one in the bedroom. I have also a fan here to take the heat outside or the smell when I'm cooking. I have another fan in the bathroom. These seats, they swivel, typical, like a Class B. They swivel or they come with the seat adjustments. This is a pure Ford chassis. It has the adaptive cruise control, airbags, automatic, a beautiful system, typical Ford system in every single vehicle, where you could control the heat, the air conditions. You could do CarPlay. It has navigations, and then we have the rear view camera. Voyage come with it. It's amazing unit. I mean, when you drive in it, you drive like a car, does not drive like a big truck. Come to Best RV and get the Gemini. This Gemini is a full body paint Gemini, not a decal. 24 KB Gemini, all-wheel drive, brand new, 2025 at Best RV. We have it at a price no one could match our prices in this state. Coming in.